Welcome back! Today we're not in the backyard. We're at Franke Park working on the trail we built last spring. It's 4 tabletops in a row with a big wooden drop at the end. The takeoffs all got super flat over winter, so we have to give them a shave and steepen them up a bit. And then they should be super fun again. Let's go! Here you can see what I'm talking about when I say mellow. They're meant to be a chill beginner line, but that's taking it a bit too far. Alright, that's one takeoff done already. Only took like 20 minutes. That was great. Gary's working on the rollers over here, taking out the divot in the middle so you can pump it better. Looks sweet. I am really stoked with how these rollers are turning out. It's going super well. Now Gary's getting some dirt with a wagon so we can build a little extra credit option so you can take off from that roller and land all the way over there. It's quite long when I look at it. I did a little bit last year without a takeoff, just roller to roller, and it was very hard. So hopefully this will make it a little more doable. curious how long this gap is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16! Holy crap! 16 feet! Wow! That's gonna be a pole. Time to work on this rutted out landing. And that's the first jump and the 2 rollers done. Now we're moving on to the second jump. Gonna do the same thing to it. Let's keep going. Like that, the second jump is done as well. On to the third jump now. I'm gonna start by draining a couple puddles and then shaving the lip into something pretty sweet. hoppy little thing. And thankfully the landing doesn't need any work, so we can just go straight on to the fourth jump. Finally, we made it to the last jump. This thing has 2 takeoffs, although you can barely tell because of how much erosion there's been over winter. And for the steeper side, you had to brake before quite a lot, otherwise you would go super far. So now we're going to use all the dirt that we got in the wagon to try to bring the takeoff back a little bit, make it a little longer so you don't have to brake as much. Should be sweet. And that's a wrap. We just finished up the 4th jump, making the takeoff way longer. That's a lot more dirt than it looks like on here, and quite a bit steeper than it was when we started. Should be a lot better so you don't have to brake as much in between the 2 jumps. And yeah, I am cooked though. We've been out here since 2:30 or so, and now it's like 7:30 or 8. So that's a fair day's digging, I'd say. We're gonna load up our stuff, pack up the car, and head home. See you on the next one.